Hey guys, we got this Lisen 3 in 1 charging station cube for multiple devices. So like for Apple, like adjustable MagSafe portable chargers, stand iPhone or the wireless charging station, the travel charger for iPhone, AirPods and Apple Watch. So first impression is a nice material, very handy and like a cube. The second impression is a shiny surface here for the wireless charging and a well-made design. So this is for the Apple Watch that you can put in the side. So you can see like great stuff here. So this is for the airport, for the iPhone, and so let's set this up first. So the Apple Watch thing will go on the side, and then this is the adapter that comes with it with the USB-C cable. So USB-C to USB-C that you can use and put in the different devices. So once this is all set in the side, you can now get it started. So this is perfect for travel as it is a small size thing, so you don't have to carry all the different charger. It's also have you know power up the devices in the morning, and then just put this adapter into the electric power supply. So the indicator shows that this is on, and now just put in the stuff. So the Apple Watch will come on the top here. As you see, it starting the charging thing. The AirPod will come in the back, and then the iPhone will come in the front. So the iPhone can also work as a stand, and you can see it here, the charging indicated. So the Apple Watch, iPhone, AirPod, everything can be charged all at once. We can see the indicator of the AirPod as well. So this is a pretty cool thing that you can charge all your three devices at once and it's easy to carry on a travel. You don't have to carry different chargers. It's a 15-watt fast charger and also the charge 4x faster than a 5-watt charger. So it's pretty nice, pretty handy, portable, easy to use, and then charge all the simultaneous devices. And once everything is charged, or you don't use it, you can just take out the stuff and make it a compact cube to carry in a bag. So once it's done, just take out all the devices, put this thing back, take out this Apple Watch stuff, put it back here, take out the wire, and this is a small cube to carry.